Good morning, guys. Oh my God. It's look like there's a storm again. Look. It's look windy and yeah, starting raining already. Sayang yung ano ko. You know what? I feel sad that, my avocado come the flowers. But suddenly is every time that there's a storm, it's falling down all of that too. Sad. Pakita ko sa inyo yan, guys. So, bulaklak na yan. Ayan. Kita niyo yan? Yan. It's a flowers already. There's a flowers, but the problems is if it's raining, Nanay said that it's falling down all of that because it's heavy. The hanging, every petals of avocado is hanging down. So it's possibility to falling down all of that. I feel sad because it is what do you call that? Normally there's avocado comes flowers if the my English is bad. Normally they come in May or month of summertime. But this time, guys, even that it's not avocados what do you call that, months to come the fruits, it's come. But you know what, I hope that we can harvest avocado later. They come many times. Usually it's only once a year, but this time they come 2 times. I hope that it's gonna be okay, so we can harvest. I love avocado and I know that we can make that ice cream or shake. Yun lang, guys. Sarap sana, no? Kaso lang, the problems is it's not avocados season. Ayun, yun ang ibig kong sabihin, guys. That's what I mean. Not avocado season, but avocado is come. Ayun. Siya nga pala, guys. God bless sa inyong lahat. Thank you sa mga taong nag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channels. Baka magtaka kayo kung bakit ako nag-English kinamati sa aking YouTube channels yesterday. Kasi guys, gusto ko marami ang makarinig ng aking video. I hope that they can watch my video until the end because I have a wish this coming Christmas. I hope that it's happening in the future. That I want that Filipino people here in Philippines. I'm sorry. I hope that they can have a modern life. Modern, yeah. Like other peoples in the other countries, especially in Europe. Because in Europe there's no corruptions in Europe, guys. No corruption, and you can see it's easy life. They have easy life. They have a good job. There's a lot of job, and salary is okay. Even that you're working as a cleaning assistant to the government. And I'm comparing here. I've been in Denmark how many years, and I cannot build my house without working abroad. But I decide to stay here because there's a lot of troubles in my life that I need to have a rest. I'm so tired that, people making me shit all the time and I cannot say something no. I cannot, stop them. So much better to move away. Like what I said, people there, like not Danish, it's a Filipinas attitude, Filipina attitude that they feel jealous to you because they want that it's only them can work abroad. And I try to move away so I can have peace of mind, I'm looking at peace of mind, and I'm hoping that I think if I can manage, last time I can manage to live in Philippines too without worrying like that. But I know I work hard for my YouTube channels for one reason, because someday I know that I can harvest that, and that's good enough for living. Yeah. I vlogged longer yesterday, guys, and I know that maybe you feel boring. I wish something new in Philippines that I know every year if there's a good president this year, next time is shit. Yeah. And to be continue to stealing money in the government that you cannot control because they have a most powerful in this country. I want to stop corruptions. I don't want to continue life like this. Like, you know, if you go to the public hospital, guys, the beds look very ugly. Need more. More new, more paint. We are suffering for that kind of that kind of situations. And alam mo guys kasi kung natatandaan nyo, I try to chance to vote that new elected now because her mother promised, I mean his mother promised or their mother promised that they will turn over all the wealth that the holding to the government. So it's good enough to all Filipinos for living. Guys, I'm waiting for that, you know. Honest is kailangan natin ng maraming armas para sa gera. Para hindi tayo tinatakot-takot ng dayuhan. That's what we need. There's a lot. Pwede kayo maglagay ng CCTV para makatch nyo at dapat ay nakakonect sa police station. So you can catch criminal very fast. Kasi kung ano-ano yung binibili nyo, mga luxury car, nakakasakay kayo sa magandang sasakyan, samantalang yung mahirap, nakanganga pa rin kami. Even job in a local place, wala trabaho. Maliban sa magtanggal ka ng damo. Kailangan namin ng trabaho. Kailangan namin ng magandang trabaho. Kasi if you've been abroad, iniisip mo na, paano ka magtatrabaho kung ang salary ay maliit, di ba? Ang liit na salary, and then you work whole day. Ayun yung pinupunto ko guys kahapon. Ang kailangan natin ay leader na malakas. Nang hindi tayo binabasyahan na lang yung Coast Guard sa Philippine Sea, binabasyahan na lang ng tubig. Hindi ba kawawa sila? Hinaharas sila there's a harassment but they don't have enough weapon to stop them. Gumawa kayo ng paraan para hindi kayo tinatakot-takot ng taga-ibang country. Lelat kayo sa maraming bagay. Lelat na lelat. Honestly, Philippines is late in so many ways. Yes. Why? Kasi kung ano-ano ang iniintindi nyo. Iniintindi nyo how can stolen money. Yeah, in silent mood. Nagkakagulo kayo. Tuwing may elected, nagkakagulo kayo. Bakit? May agree, disagree. Yeah. Si Ma'am Sara Duterte, sinipa sa pagka-vice president. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, binuto kayo ng taong bayan kasi you're proud with her. Tapos ano na nangyayari ngayon? Magpa-promise kayo na you can do farmers more best. Hindi yun ang kailangan namin. Ang kailangan namin ay trabaho. Ang kailangan namin ay libreng hospital. Ang kailangan namin ay libreng school. Para alam nyo kung bakit? Kasi mahirap lang kami. Yung trabaho namin ay ang gaya ng iba, hindi ako. Kasi ako, yung trabaho ko, yung tindahan ko. I earn piso every items. Yes. Ang kailangan kasi namin ay ang makita namin, ang mga estudyante, young generation, na maging maganda ang buhay in the future. Ayun ang kailangan. At saka dapat inaayos nyo ang Pilipinas para nire-respeto tayo sa ibang bansa. Kasi kung ang leader ay hindi ka respeto, hindi ko kayo pinapangalanan. Pero dapat, gumising naman kayo guys. Kaya kayo nagpaka-presidente in one reason. Gusto nyong tumulong sa gobyerno. Sana nga, gusto nyong tumulong. Kasi yung mga taong nagbabayad ng tax, lahat ng mga vehicles na yan ay may bayad. It costs money. Ang katanungan ko ay nasaan ang mga pera? Ayun yung katanungan ko. I have a question since young until now na 49 years old na ako. Yun guys ang vlog ko yesterday. But I'm not comfortable to say something because I know that attacking someone like this is not good. Or for sure they feel mad at me. But you know what? I do that for all all Filipinos, yeah. That someday they can have a better life. Like modern life as abroad. Alam mo kung bakit tumagal din ako sa abroad? Kasi you can earn 100,000 a month. So, it's easy, very easy. Kaya ako ngayon ay nag-rest. Ginagawa ko na lang ang aking YouTube channels kasi guys alam ko malaki ang sweldo sa YouTube channels. At alam ko someday makukuha ko rin ang sahod ko. Ang sinisigaw ko ay stop corruptions in Philippines. We are tired that we cannot trust some. I know that we have a good leaders here in Antique. We are proud of you guys. Yeah, all of you, sir and ma'am. Yeah. Thank you to taking care of Antique. Pero guys, alam mo guys, ang sasabihin ko ay sana mabago ang sistema. Kasi napag-iiwanan na tayo ng panahon. Kung tayo noon, iba hanggang ngayon may nagngangahoy pa rin. May nagngangahoy dahil wala silang alam na trabaho. Dahil walang trabaho para sa mga taong yan. Kaya sana someday mabago naman. Maging maayos naman lahat. Kasi promises is not good enough. You need to move. You need to have an actions. Ayun lang guys. Nagtaka kayo kung bakit ako nag-vlog ng English para hoping that someone can understand, especially international. Ang corruption sa Asia ay talamak. Honest is yes. At isa ang ating country na counted sa corrupt in Asia. Grabe no? Sa totoo lang narinig ko kay Sir Roa Duterte, may pera ang gobyerno. Governments or Philippines have a money. The question is, where is the money now? Where is it? Because I know that there's a payment, but people pay tax, they earn money in so many ways. So, where is the money? Ayun guys, ang topic ko yesterday. It's about, I wish that someday or in the future, there's a preschool for students. There's allowance. You know what, in Denmark, and this is in Europe, if you go to school, there's allowance. 4,800, I think, a month. Yes. And if you go to school, teenager, high school, they didn't pay. It's free. Dapat ganyan. Free ang school sa Denmark, yes, hanggang college. There's time that maybe some course that you need to pay a little money only for materials. Yeah. Ang ganda-ganda ng buhay sa abroad. Relax ang mga Pilipino sa abroad. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi mas maganda ang buhay kumpara sa Pilipinas. Sinasabi ko guys, umuwi lang ako guys kasi magulo yung mga Pilipina na yun ang hahanting sa akin. Lalo na nag-YouTube ako. Ay, Diyos ko, nagkakagulo na sila. Gusto nila ay kung ano lang ang plano nila sa akin, yun lang ako. Guys, talented ako. Marunong akong gumawa ng bouquet ng flower na parang pangkasal. Marunong din ako mag-hairstyle ng buhok. Kung may mga occasion. Marunong din ako mag-arrange ng flower. Marami akong alam. Ang hindi ko lang maintindihan guys is it's not ordinary bullying what they did to me. Planning to kill me. That's why the reason why I come out, because they are trying hard to kill me and destroy my body. Even now, they using black magic to how to kill me behind my back. Kaya, nag-iingat ako guys. Nag-iingat ako. At hindi nila ako mapatay dahil mayroon akong singsing dito na sa daliri ko. May binigay na singsing si Haring Samuel sa akin to protect myself. And I'm lucky for that. Every day that guys, may sakit ako. Nagliliparan ang karayom sa aking katawan. At ang ginagawa ko rin ay binabagsak ko rin sa kanila. Yun lang guys na share ko. Baka mag-cheer up sila. Wala naman silang magagawa sa akin. Hindi naman nila ako kayang patayin. So, much better to relax and enjoy life. Hindi ko ini-stress ang buhay ko kasi alam ko na kayo ang stress, not me. Nandito na ako sa Pilipinas, I feel more relaxing. Tingnan mo naman, ibang-iba ang buhay ko nung nasa Denmark ako. Stress ako sa mga bunganga ng mga taong walang ginawa, kundi how to judge me and using their mouth to make gossip. Always like that. And you know what guys, I'm very thankful that I'm home. Yes, to have a silent life, to have a peace of mind. Ayun lang guys, thank you nga pala. Inulit ko lang, nag-vlog ako sa inyo. Dahil I know naman, there's a lot of Filipino watching me. Thank you guys. At gusto ko magstay kayo sa YouTube channels ko kasi naiintindihan nyo kung ano ang aking plano, kung bakit ako nagsasalita ng ganito ngayon. Gusto ko lahat ng mga Pilipino, lalo na vlogger, tulungan nyo ako na mag-control at para stop nila ang corruption. Stop corruptions in Philippines. We love Philippines but we need a better future. That's it guys. God bless. Bye.